the Talyllyn Railway, which has been carrying passengers up the Talyllyn Valley to Abergynolwyn since 1866. Originally opened as a slate line in the 1850s, the line had fallen into decay by 1950, when it was taken over by the Preservation Society and restored to its present immaculate condition. The train begins its journey from Wharf Station, carrying sightseers away up the valley. The railway calls at Dolgoch Falls, a fine beauty spot on the line, which attracts a great deal of sightseers to the railway. The line crosses the Dolgoch ravine on a viaduct. Abergynolwyn Station, the top of the line, where passengers may stretch their legs and take refreshments before returning to Towyn. On the return journey, the train passes through splendid scenery and runs back into Dolgoch Station. As the last train of the day reaches Abergynolwyn, we take our leave of the Talyllyn Railway and move a few miles up the coast to Portmaddock, home of the famous